to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I'm going to review BAE BB cream. So before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it, and if you like this video, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friend. So without further ado, let's get started. So BAE recently launched its BB cream with SPF 20. It has written, infused with skin moisturizing agent, cucumber and aloe vera actives, even skin tone, water resistant, blends like a dream, lightweight formula. So all the ingredients are mentioned here, and it contains 18 gram of product at rupees 125, but in purple.com you always get a discount, so I bought this at rupees 99, and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. So this BAE BB cream available in 7 different shades, and I choose Beth Bronze Brownie number 2, which is suitable for fair skin tone beauties. So it comes in black plastic tube, and when we open it, it look like this. The consistency of this cream is very light but not runny. It blends easily and give you a matte finish. So it is non-greasy formula. It smells same like a Pond's BB cream. It give you a light to medium coverage, which is okay at this price. It contains SPF 20, which keeps your face sun safe. It also claims that it is water resistant. So let's see its demo. So it's not water resistant and waterproof. It bleeds and give you white patches which look so weird. I have oily skin and it bleeds easily, so it is not long lasting. So overall, I'm not highly satisfied with this product because I have oily skin and it bleeds very easily and it gives me a patchy look. So I will not recommend this BB cream to oily skin beauties, but normal to dry skin people can try this. But I think it's a waste of money. Either you can go for Pond's BB cream, which is also very affordable, instead of this. So that's all. Hope you really like this video, and if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.